Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to different inventions. Say these words with your English voice. Plastic. Plastic. Plastic is an artificial substance that can be shaped when soft into many different forms and has many different uses. Metal. Metal. This is a chemical element such as iron or gold, or a mixture of such elements, such as steel that is generally hard and strong, and through which electricity and heat can travel. Cardboard. Cardboard. Cardboard is material like very thick, stiff paper, usually pale brown in color, used especially for making boxes. Paper. Paper. This is thin, flat material made from crushed wood or cloth, used for writing, printing, or drawing on. Battery. Battery. This is a device that produces electricity to provide power for radios, cars, etc. Glass. Glass. This is a hard, transparent material used to make windows, bottles, and other objects. Fluorescent light. Fluorescent light. Fluorescent electric light in the form of a thin glass tube, often with a plastic cover.